Alright, just got my energy suspension parts in for the Corvette. Front and rear, everything I need to replace all of the bushings. Ball joints, everything look good, but we'll see. We'll swap up all the bushings. Came with everything. Each pack has its instructions, which is kind of cool. I have to guess. Nifty sticker. And then everything's in here. Every bushing, every piece of rubber you need. Polyurethane. Even came with lithium grease to make everything slide on nice and easy and not squeak. We'll see how that works out. So get ready. Eventually you'll have a video on this, but not this soon. Maybe end of summer. Thanks for watching.